Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm excited to uh, hear about the release of my app on Uptodown website. So here is the app. So if you go to Uptodown and search Nom Nom and go to the first app is a cat and a search symbol. It is a object detection app. After clicking an image, it just pop-ups the predicted. It also gives the voice feedback. So here is the website. So you can also visit this website and download. I will put the link in description. So let's show a little bit of demo. Okay, so I'm running the app here.
Cat 87.8%, dog 75.9%, tile 74.0%, room 60.7%.
So here I have set confidence value 60%. So whatever it detects which is more than or equal to 60%, then it just show them and read it. So as you can see here, it detects it as cat 87.8% and others are less. So and after that also we have history, whatever we click picture. So this is actually a demo. So we have some of these things here. Okay, let's click something else. Let's see what it gives.
Chair 93.7%, room 74.4%, bench 73.7%, desk 65.6%, pattern 61.5%.
So it will help kids to learn the name of the objects, whatever is there, just by clicking. So I have added these two buttons here. In history, it will just save the history. So for the detection model, I have used Google, provided by Google ML kit. So I have used the image leveling model. So here basically we have it detects objects of more than 400 different entities. So like for example, it can detect people, but it will label as crowd, selfie, smile, activities, things, animals, plants, places. So these are some of the categories, and but it will label as these titles. As I have built this app in Flutter, so for this I have used this package. You can select multiple models. For this I have just chosen the image labeling. We have this object detection and others like pose detection also. So going to the code, so basically I have used Hive to store the history. It will store it locally, so everything is in the phone. The model is also in the app itself, so it will not means loaded from the server or like that. It is already there in the app or the APK file. For net, it will only access the network just to download the font only. Other than that, there is no need for network. So here you can see this is the confidence threshold that I have used. For packages, I have used the Google ML kit image labeling and Hive for storing the images along with labels. So that's all. This is the folder structure. It's a simple app. As only 400 classes are there, means around 400. So we have to, means I'm planning to add custom model here, so I have to train it and integrate in the app so that we can detect more categories, or we can add more labels and names to for the objects. So that's all. Hope you will try this app, and do comment if you need more feature or like that, or what do you like.